Welcome to this video review of the CRAFTSMAN Air Compressor CMEC6150K. In this review, we'll take a closer look at this popular air compressor and evaluate its features, performance, and overall value. So grab a seat and let's dive in. Air compressors are a versatile and essential tool for any workshop, garage, or home DIY project. The CRAFTSMAN Air Compressor CMEC6150K is a portable and durable option that is designed for a variety of applications, from inflating tires and sports equipment to powering air tools and nail guns. The CRAFTSMAN Air Compressor CMEC6150K has a 6-gallon capacity and delivers 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi, making it suitable for a range of tasks. It features an oil-free pump, which means less maintenance and longer lifespan. The compressor also has a maximum pressure of 150 psi, allowing it to handle tough jobs. The compressor is designed with a high-flow regulator and couplers to maximize the air tool performance. It has a large, easy-to-read pressure gauge as well as a rubber foot and handle for stability and portability. The compressor is equipped with a quick-release valve, making it easy to drain any accumulated moisture. One of the most significant benefits of the CMEC6150K is its quick recovery time. The compressor can go from empty to 90 psi in less than 30 seconds, making it a reliable option for continuous use. The compressor is also relatively quiet, with a noise level of 78.5 dBA, making it suitable for indoor use without disturbing others. The compressor has enough power to handle most air tools, including impact wrenches, ratchets, and nail guns. The oil-free pump ensures a clean output, making it suitable for painting and other finishing applications. The CRAFTSMAN Air Compressor CMEC6150K is priced competitively, making it an excellent value for its features and performance. The compressor comes with a 1-year limited warranty, ensuring peace of mind in case of any defects or malfunctions. The compressor is also designed with durability in mind. The oil-free pump and high-quality components ensure a longer lifespan, saving your money in the long run. The portable design and quick recovery time make it a convenient option for on-the-go jobs or remote locations. The compressor is a reliable and versatile option for a range of applications. Its 6-gallon capacity, 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi, and 150 psi maximum pressure make it suitable for a variety of air tools and tasks. The oil-free pump, quick recovery time, and quiet operation make it a convenient and practical choice for any workshop or garage. Overall, the CMEC6150K is an excellent value for its features and performance. Its durability, portability, and ease of use make it an ideal choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. We hope you found our in-depth review helpful and informative. Comment below if you have any questions about this review or explanation. Thanks for watching.